To edit paystubs, we can do in a paystub creator like QuickBooks. Also with PDF tools, because it is often saved in PDF format. Here in this video, we will introduce 5 easy ways to edit a paystub file, including online free ways. First of all, if the paystub is a fillable PDF form, just open your web browser to edit the file. Then save it. If the paystub is a flat native PDF file that you can copy and paste text from, there are online free PDF editor to help, such as Stub PDF Editor, my favorite online PDF editing tool so far. You just need to visit this website, upload your file, then modify any texts or numbers in the file as you like. However, it won't do the math automatically because you cannot insert a formula. You have to manually add the data yourself. Then apply changes and download the file to check the result. It is 100% free to use, but it has limits and often loses original formatting. You may need to spend some time to adjust the format. If you want to keep the original formatting, or you are editing a scan paystub, Adobe Acrobat is a better choice. It even can add formula to calculate in the form automatically. Turn the file to a form first, then remove the original data so we can add fillable data for auto calculation. Now add text field one by one and resize them. Then we should give each field a name and set the format. In this field, we need to add a formula. Rename the field first and format as well. Then go to Calculate, choose the value type. Here we use multiplication, then choose the fields accordingly. Now preview the file. When adding data, calculation will be done automatically. For a scan paystub, there is another way to edit, converting it to an editable Word first, then edit the file in word processor. Here we use online OCR to convert the file. Then open the file in your word processor. Now the file can be easily edited. Finally, save the file back as PDF. If you have installed Photoshop, follow this process to edit your paystub. Import the file, then duplicate the layer. Select the original texts and choose Fill tool to remove the texts. Then use the Text tool to add new texts. Finally, save the file.